Hey everybody, it's Kelly, and I have another Tuesday morning haul for you. This is, I think, my third one in 3 months, but they've just had so much great stuff lately. And I saw Victoria Marie do a haul, so there were lots of things in hers that I thought would be fun to have. And so I went and bought stuff Tuesday morning. So to start out with, if you love Maggie Holmes, get yourself to a Tuesday morning because they have 12 by 12 pads and embellishments, chipboard, all sorts of things for Bloom and Gather and Carousel. I know those, trying to think, and Chasing Dreams, all of those. So I didn't buy any of the paper, but I did buy this, and these are the chipboard stickers, and I'm not quite sure which collection this is because it doesn't say. It is, I recognize some of the motifs here, so I definitely recognize the book theme and these. So it's one of her collections, but it really doesn't matter because she repeats the same colors over and over. So this will be a cool one. They also had chipboard for 2 of the other collections there, but I have chipboard for one of them, and the other one was, I think, Gather, which is a more fall collection, and I don't own that, and I actually resisted buying the paper. But I'm going to be back next to a Tuesday morning with some friends next weekend, so I might end up doing that. So this is the Maggie Holmes chipboard stickers. It is, I think it's actually Chasing Dreams because it says MH Chipboard Dreams. So I bet this is Chasing Dreams, which would make sense with these birds and this watercolor stuff. So anyway, Chasing Dreams number 2068432, and it's $2.99. I think you should be able to see that. All right, so that's the first thing. Then they had a couple of cool label stickers and that kind of thing. This is a whole sheet of like what do I want to say, gold phrases and that kind of thing. So I'm going to bring this up so you can see it, phrases and labels. It was $1.49, and it is from Open Book, it says here. And I'm trying to think if they had that. They might have had that paper pad there too, but I already had that paper pad, so I didn't buy it. I've used a lot of the stuff from there. So this is 2068455, so 2068455. Then they had this sheet of labels and phrase stickers here. This one was $1.49 as well. And I'm not sure which collection this came from. Oh, you know what? I think it's Chasing Dreams. Just because the top of this is kind of the same as that, and the colors here are the same. So I bet it's Chasing Dreams, but not positive about that. Anyway, so that's what this is. So this is $1.49 for all these labels and word stickers. The number here, there you go, just so you can see it. And the number here, and I have my camera just in a spot I can't see the labels. All right, number here is 2068414. Again, it's 2068414. Then let's continue on with kind of the Maggie Holmes theme here. And I got some Ephemera Packs here. Now they had Ephemera Packs from Carousel and from maybe Open Book, but I already had some leftovers from the one. I have a little bit of Carousel left. I used up the other one. I thought one Ephemera Pack is fine. There's plenty in here. So this one is from Chasing Dreams. I'm just going to show you what is in that so you can see that, freeze that if you want to. But again, mine had quite a few things. And I went to the one that's not that great near me, and it still had a ton of stuff. So for those of you who don't get much, go anyway because you might actually have stuff, because the one I went to usually doesn't have a lot. All right, so Chasing Dreams ephemera. This is was $2.49. It is 2068433. Again, 2068433, and that's the ephemera pack. So this will be fun to play with. Then I got this piece, which I had not seen before, and it says it's mixed embellishments. Now this could be Chasing Dreams because the colors are pretty similar. But like I said, it, you know, with Maggie Holmes things are just a lot alike, but it's, and I was going to say it's got ribbons on it and things like that, but she has ribbons on her stuff. So I don't know. Anyway, I think this is Chasing Dreams because they had that pattern in it, I think. Anyway, so it's buttons and then layered embellishments here. And I guess you can see everything basically here. This little label is falling off, but that's okay. I have adhesive. So this is was $2.99 and it's 206-8403. Again, 206-8403. And I was so happy to get this because this is one of the things that has a little less embellishments in, so I might not have spent the like $6 that it was originally. So that's that. Then I got these two packages of thickers, and they are both Maggie Holmes themes. I think this one is Carousel from the kind of details here, and I do own that collection, but I'm not positive about where either of these came from. I might have to look that up and see if I can figure that out, but they're Puffy stickers. So cool Puffy stickers. This one, and I'm going to bring this up a little closer so you can see what's in there, but lots of bows and words and that kind of stuff, so you can use them for titles. And again, more of that on the background, but lots of nice different sizes here too. It's not all the same. So this one was $2.49 and it is 206-8405. Again, 206-8405, and it says Puffy Circ here, so I bet that was for the Carousel collection. So that's that one. And then this one, and I recognize that deer from lots of different motifs. These are that was the Circ. Yeah, this is Grow. So maybe this is from Bloom. That would make sense. And this is one of the flowers from the Bloom collection. Isn't that scary that I know that? But I have the mixed flowers from Bloom, and there were tons of them in there. So I bet this is Bloom, and it would make sense that it says Grow. So anyway, so this again, more again, mixed embellishment, Puffy stickers, lots of nice little words here and plus signs, and then that really lovely flower and a butterfly. And like I said, I'm betting this is almost betting it's Bloom. So this one was $2.49 again. The number is 206-8397. Again, 206-8397. So that's those. Since I'm on a thickers kick, let me show you what I bought in thickers too, because now they did have some other packs of thickers there, but in my last haul I got thickers, and what they had other than these two I already had, so I didn't buy any more. This is a cool font. This is the Floral Spice font, and it doesn't say like what collection it went with originally. I'm hoping you can pick up on this. It's a very, very dark aqua color, so very cool. But I don't know what collection this went with at all. And it's a Puffy sticker, so that's kind of cool. These were $1.99, you can see, and I love it when you can get thickers for $1.99, especially now since they're often $5.99 instead of the comp value of $4.99 here. The number on this is 209-3065. Again, 209-3065. So that's that side and this side. So not really, pretty much kind of punctuation, no extra little stars or anything, but great color. I don't have anything that color. Then I bought this one, and this one I did get two of, just because I really liked the font, and I used so much gold, I thought having two would be a good move on my part in this particular case. So this is the Something Splendid font, and these are foam letter stickers. Sorry for the packaging, guys, but I think these are on navy foam. Let me just double check this out. Oh, no, it's black. I thought it was navy, but that's okay, because that's okay. I'm not going to make you listen to that. Plus, I'm going to take these out. I almost did it already. I have my little envelopes here that I'm going to put them in all ready to go. So anyway, so this again is the Something Splendid font. They were again $1.99. The number for this one is 209-3066. Again, it's 209 3066. All right, so 2 packages of those. I got 2 packages for $4, which is less than the original price for 1. So that's awesome. Back to the theme of crepe paper, I found this 6x6 pad. I wish they had a whole pad, 12x12 pad of the paper. But this is the crepe paper here and their collection. And I'll just flip through this. I had the 12x12 of this, and I've used up most of the paper, but I have embellishments left. So I thought this would be cool because I combine it with other crepe paper things. The other thing I loved was this piece of paper because I have it in 12x12, but this will be nice for little cut apart embellishments. So that's what this is. And there's a lot of like sort of exotic locations and that kind of stuff, but like this has France on it. I'm going to France next year. There are some that are like city, but I have traveled to cities. And then some that are a little bit more tropical, but I just got back from Florida. I was there last weekend if you're looking at this real time. And then some maps, some hotel keys, that kind of a thing. So anyway, this I thought was a really good deal, a nice way to enhance and use up some more of those embellishments. This was $2.99. And the number here is 207-9200. Again, it's 207-9200. If you are a fan of 6x6 pads, they had a ton of them, just so that you know that. So this is just the one that I chose to buy. But they also had some of the 6x8 pads as well, too. I was tempted by a couple of those, but I didn't. So if I'm there next weekend, I might be more than tempted. So we'll see. Then I bought a couple other things. This is an American Crafts line called DIY Shop, and they're phrase stickers here. They're gold with little white words. This one, it's the sticker Word Fetty. It was $1.49 again. And this one is 208-2166. Again, 208-2166. And there it is, DIY phrase stickers. So lots of very usable phrase stickers here. Then I bought one of these sticker books, which I never paid more than $10 for mine. I bought 2 of them. I had the Chamel one and the Maggie Holmes one, I think. Actually, that's not, yeah, Chamel and Maggie Holmes. And I paid half price, so I paid $9.99 for those with a coupon. But now, actually that's not true. I did it with all of them, I think. I was going to say I have Chamel's, I have Paige Evans, and I have Maggie Holmes. I was thinking I had bought one of these at Hobby Lobby, but I did, or not Hobby Lobby, at Tuesday Morning. I did not. So I paid $9.99 for mine. They're $6.99 there, and they have a lot of them. The one I was at did have Paige Evans. They did have the Dear Lizzie, which I bought. And they had one of Chamel's as well too. So this is a great deal. I use Dear Lizzie products all the time. It is definitely geared towards one of the lines. It's really true with all of them that you can definitely see one of the lines within these, but very usable for a lot of colors. These would go with a lot of Paige Evans colors as well. And this line was a more fall line, so you can, kind of tell that it's a little bit darker, but that's okay. Here's some of the lighter stuff too from some of the other things. I do still have papers left from this line, but it doesn't matter because this will go with lots of different things, and I like to pull them out. Lots of also sort of planner things. They did have a couple planner books there as well. So if you're into planners, do that. But there's 30 sheets here. It says there's 1,384 stickers. So that's a really good deal for $6.99. I do love these. I love how they're flapped here. All right, then last but not least, I bought this EK Success Edge Punch here, and it's just a dotted punch like that. So you can run it along like a border or whatever you want to do here. I was looking for something when I saw this. It's polka dots, but something I could use in my grandson's layout other than, I do use my scalloped edge punch, which reminds me that embossed dot punch, they had that embossed dot punch. So if you're looking for that, check out Tuesday Morning. It wasn't the exact one that I have, but it's basically the same thing. So if you're looking for that, it's the big scallop with embossed dots. But if you don't press too hard, you don't really see the dots. Anyway, So back to this one, it doesn't say what the name of this is. It just, well, I shouldn't say it. Yes, it does. Polka dots is the name of this. So that's what this is. Oh, here, this is what the embossed dot punch looks like without the embossing of the dots. So anyway, this is the polka dot punch. It was $4.99, comp value of $15.39. They had a couple of other really cool, like, punch around the page things. They had one with stars that was just a square that I almost bought, but I'm like, no, you have spent enough money. Stop, put it back, which I did. So anyway, $4.99, but lots of punches there if you're interested in that, both border and regular punches. The number here is 206-9016. Again, it's 206-9016. And for those of you who don't know, the cool thing about the EK Success punches, and I'm going to see if I can open this up easily. Ooh, I can, good. Is they come flat like this. They're flat like this, and they have this little locking mechanism, and that's how they open up for you to use it. So you can store it, and you don't have to store it like this. They store flat, which I absolutely love in my storage. I just have them in drawers in a plastic cart. So anyway, so that is the polka dot punch. That is my haul. I think I spent about, yeah, I bought 2 other things that weren't scrapbook supplies, but I spent about $30 on all of that. That's pretty darn good, you guys. So if you have any questions, just let me know in the comments. But there's another enabling post for you, and I need to stay out of Tuesday morning after next weekend, at least for a while. Hope you guys are all well, and I'll be back with another video again soon. Bye.